this is random. Hell yeah, this is random. End up running into another 350. Should not be doing this. Hell yeah! Woo! I left in third gear. Hell yeah! I really should not be doing that. That was a stock 350, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. I really shouldn't be doing that. I left in third gear rolling into that. I didn't want to downshift into second gear because obviously I got a carbon fiber hood on the car with no hood pins, and on top of that I got a slipping clutch. But when you run into a random 350, you kind of got to go ahead and give a run in. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just let my thing go in third gear, roll into it. But man, you can kind of tell the difference. Stock versus headers in E, when you start to get to 100 miles an hour, it really starts to pull away. But that was badass. Hell yeah, that kind of shows you right there how potent a stock 350 is, because that thing was moving out, I ain't gonna lie. But obviously I shifted this thing real slow in the fourth gear because I did not want to go ahead and have a repeat of what happened with the 2 valve when I did go ahead and do a watt pull with a not so healthy clutch. Literally as soon as I grabbed fourth gear in the 2 valve, you guys remember that video? If you guys don't, I will put it on the screen right now. Shit, I think I just lost my clutch. Fuck, dude. I just blew the clutch. Whew. As you guys can see here, well, it's fucking gone. It literally stuck to the ground. Like, I can't get into gear. You guys remember that video? As soon as I grabbed fourth gear, the clutch was gone, and I'm like at least 30 minutes away from the crib right now, so this is easily like a $600-700 tow, and it really is not worth going ahead and messing up the car just for a fun run. So that was fucking sick. That was sick. Hell yeah. If you end up seeing this video, brother, hit me up on Instagram, man. We gotta go ahead and get a cruise going in. Woohoo! God damn, man. Dude, every time I go to these tunnels, I gotta go ahead and get a downshift in, man. It just sounds too damn good. Let me turn on a light real quick in here. I'm telling y'all, man, this car sounds insane. like the second time that I've accidentally did some type of pull in like the comfort mode. The pedal feel, and just, I know it's not true, but just it feels different to me. The pedal feel as well as the clutch, it just feels different in comfort mode. I don't know what it is, but the car feels a lot more, it feels a lot more spongy in the comfort mode. Like now that I have it switched to sport, because I know to actually put it in sport right now, it completely feels different, which is good. So if you just want to have like something just to cruise, obviously just keep this joint in comfort, but it literally feels completely different. I'm actually about to pop a U-turn right now. My goodness, man. Now the hood, good to go, man. I want to make sure that it didn't, you know, flex or anything, because we don't have the hood pins on it right now. Man, it's just because of the holiday weekend. Everybody's booked up, shops are booked up. I need to get this thing re-clear coated with the automotive grade clear coat, because it does have marine grade clear coat. And because it is so hot out here in Texas, I've already saw in a little spot where the sun is hitting that marine grade clear coat. So I definitely need to get this properly protected. And the annoying part about it is the longer it takes to get this hood kind of re-clear coated and the hood's put on, the longer it takes me to get the whole car ceramic coated, because you have to let the clear coat kind of sit for a while before you add the ceramic coat. In this area here, I don't know if it's just a smudge, you probably can't even see it on camera, but like right here, I can kind of see where the marine grade clear is taking a beating from the sun. So I need that automotive clear on here. And also something I'm gonna be doing in the car, because I kind of got bullied into it. I got a good deal on an 8-inch upgrade, so we're gonna have a little bit of a better head unit in here. So that's awesome. It's time to change the oil. I'm at like a little over 2,500 miles done, so I'm literally gonna do that tomorrow because it's a holiday today. So gonna get this oil changed and get back on the road. So if you guys enjoy, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those notifications, turn your boy ears, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.